Hello! Today we're going to be learning the basic one balloon dog, the staple pretty much of all the balloon world where everybody begins, or one of the very early ones that you learn. Always popular, easy, fast, so grab a balloon, grab a pump, let's get ready to have some fun. For this basic one balloon dog, you have a single 260. I've inflated it with about a hand width or so uninflated on the end. And I find it's easy to work with hand widths, measurements, things like that, finger widths. So I'm going to do about a hand width bubble, followed by two more bubbles of the same size. So I'm going to have three bubbles, all the same size, all about a hand width. Then you're going to take the second and third bubbles, twist them together just like that. Then I'm going to do about a 3-finger bubble for the neck, followed by two more hand width bubbles, just like that. So I've done 3 more bubbles. This is a neck. These are the front legs. Twist those two together just like that. Always twist in the same direction. Twist those together and twist them 3 or 4 times to make sure they're locked. Now if you want a long tail, you can make the body shorter and have more for the tail, or if you want like a wiener dog, you can make a longer body. So I'm going to make kind of a long body. Then you make 2 more hand width bubbles. And the reason I'm doing the hand width again is because the front legs are both hand width, the back legs are hand width, so now I know the legs will be the same size. Twist those together, and there you have your basic dog. And as a bonus, if you take and turn his head and his legs around, you'll also have a very simple giraffe. And there you have the basic one balloon dog. You can never go wrong with a dog. Everybody loves them, fast, easy. The secret to getting better, especially if you're just beginning, practice. Practice until you can do this without thinking about it, and that will help you down the road. Have a great day. Stay twisted.